dia letter komo and no am say Justin Kodua ka say they should admit the party no is in crisis.
And then one who say is in crisis. And then
Mufi mo na in crisis.
You see, Lamin ka say me. Shape ki bi ka say me trem. Ewo North Memokro. That was 2019. And was say in Kolabi be di party na nim. Ombe take decisions bi. E be break party no. Phone be free mwako. Na ewomu a another serious issue be sense here e no na be break party no kra. Asemu a me ken me ni obi na koye nipa no wo tamale ho no.
Okay.
Eti enyetro ana mabo few people so amane. Ta. Te o mo 2020 ababeto ya ba wie ko. Yansi me dem refimpo. O kampo na me say me a meeting ani mu bra no. Me so be ba be
party ni.
Eti yeto 2024 abani wie ana papa na friend. Anu wase me kai asem bi o ka kire me. Ana me so odi asem. Wase me refi say o ka kire me say o mbe take decision bi. Penifoni bi be free party no. Na so ani me ankasa kra na me tu ani no. Me so ba free. Anu wase anything na me free. Now something serious will happen. Ya no dey e be break party no kra. Me trust in the judgment. Because say wait me see here there adena no wo ka no ebesi. Wa hu ne ete no. Look, ni gina ye den. Say wa nyam penimfo a wo mbetimi de wo na esi for makasi no. Look, those days Afoko be national chairman. That be the Akufo Addo. Some of the decisions are not taken amany. But it was a firm and best decision. What by was it? Look, chairman is the leader. At the Frabera, what you are to baby, who the mubium. At the office in our honor, yes, a Frabera's office or no chairman or no.
And one no.
Hey, the chairman, yes, I'm now the bay. Kika, what the nurse form. Yama Echo so come. You see, few things be adebia uncle ye just
maybe a koye
beba around
you are fetish around Akufo Addo.
There be who the make us biba around them no.
Yeah.
Omo no mo running PR ma omo no. Omo na say omo asema omo. So on ete no. That's our better na me kasama obi na me kase na me ye eno ene kokofa asade no bae. Enye no a I tell you say they took a very firm decisions. At that time, the Frabera was not in total control of the party. Omoshi shaya omoye ye no. Eno yes suspended woman no more ye primaries in the and they took a firm decision. Say, look, we are not going to take money and favor anybody. Baby, I say your contest ye declare baby I say on the post except it's a man for amfale. I don't yes I no money na. Yekoto aba yenya 169 seats in parliament. Ana jombo du mubai. Akufo Addo ani ayi. Afi de chim to chimwa to ha ni ade. Na swati e dey about 137. Eneja yekoko fa branch e ba ye say o ma me ye no ma nan kwa. Asafri 137.
Ako 89 you say
87 today. 87. 2028. Obi an Toronto. NPP seat in parliament beba 60. Toronto. Except say omonya general secretary the near day Pye ade omoko nyina no Modum TV na ne mo be twa so sisi ambo.
I no na bedroom be no chese ye ko.
Me che o modum na ne o mo twa so. I say me hwe me ho TV no so.
And ya sam se be ye.
Minia. O mama lusu.
Omunya general secretary ni ayade.
So dey dey no. So one general secretary na ni adin a sa. Anti wo hwe the general secretary na wo hwe ne ye ni na ye a do say me support no me na I was ayi enso no wamfa advice eto da wo kọ o masika di wanim ese adwuma na wo ba be ya se ya na eba wo hu ne tie no eti me de me de ekoso no Kennedy Agyapong na me ka che ne nkrofo ni bi me ni party no mu se mo tenase na se o mo bom mu sa buga na it's up to you me kai alanchemante time o so munyabotre no nkrofo emi enwi o mu na ye ntiti mu o mu so o so munyabotre sa no mde wo ye ni eti o mu no so o betenase na eje ya se don de ka se bi wo se to da se ye bomma e wo party no mu na discipline eye dey eba mu that's why there is an amutra on mu a decision mu take a whole regional chairman akwa gina hold the one candidate anim regional chairman is how you neutral ye ka say you neutral no ntre say wo woni can o preferred candidate na mom won kon di ba kwa chi ni nchi won ko gina ho nkasa ma ba ko because all other candidates will come to you for you to lead them in your region no one through region now the candidate ba kwa chi wa another region na wo kansem hunu na moti hodum because say nipa na odi na chi no ya mo preferred candidate intino you are not going to take action against the person dia dey na we who go party no na me bo person engu kanze ya memfa masemunsi wo me ka se me bu na mu a me ka kire first say wo ya me bu na wo dem ya me bu mu nsoso so ne de no emre bia me ka me say NPP baby a me de NPP a no it will take the grace of God asamaka me say 4 consecutive elections on be lusu okroma say eya no visa me ka no keke o ma me ncha me kroma cha before last Sunday Sunday na me wo honum last Monday holiday no so me ko say my imagine say every weekend bia no ho na me kwa kodi me weekend ni ade na ka ga unti ye chia omo I'm say president I promise say ye point from about to achieve no mbeye mako rules minister ho on so am assurance pa say omo ebeye sa kwan no eti ye bompa say omo betwa tu mama ye na chese bibia etimi
akwaye wonema
etie bia na mum NPP there look well me ti hey me candidate asenka me ko akwakoye campaign enka Bawumia Campaign me bompaye e de amano adenti ano me candidate because oni ma di ni yie nipa nso de obi no di ni yie a men konkon show nipa no boni aye so won ete no nganti yi for no adam last na make so mo ye strategic a from the Bawumia Campaign beko no mo aton no 2028 against 32 2028 NPP for mo ho sere say ye ba 2020 mo free fa na mo ba
okay bana
ya pamu mo say ye ba
fire bomb Kweku Annan ye ko
kra wonim se wo beje bi ahwe eti ono no wonim se wo ane compact plus no betimi sustain no mentally say be co premium na mentimi sustain enye say premium no no ompe o ope
that is
sustainability
that is some me ka kire o me fie say me fie no nkwara no sori a mo pe o mo cartoons akohwe
and is a premium no cartoons papa o say
daddy mami cartoons channel is cartoon channel
and papa
something
after when you repeated
papa
then aside that me say me yiri sorry onim channels are up anytime I get home and I want to watch news I know that by the time is it Z-World or something see you will not watch any other channel and if you upgrade the channels for her
she
doesn't even want it yes channel upgrade eyema ebimu but why price reduction is super better.
Okay.
And that is what the minister told us he was going for. Until onya price reduction no na opet say offer extra income na obanya no akoto the other packages now. You can use your money to now go and buy. But we did not get price reduction.
Good infant say good infant say paddy. Me no who use 59 and when you 30%, you know. 30% is 17.7.
Until you can top up to go and buy compact.
Say who top up infant say access 99 part benefit. But this time, you know, with the 59,
but don't forget
when that, access,
don't forget that you know so beba fem. The access no so beba fem because we are going to get 30% reduction on all. Into way eba fem no way aba fem no, you can use this one now to be able to cover up for this. I'm saying that the Americans say we did not get price reduction. As to say we have gotten increased packages, no. It is a total different realm.
No, increased package with a reduction.
There's no reduction.
Because increased package, you know,
minister, no. Oh, you are listening to secondary sources. Me say the primary source. Me say the minister no. And I listen to my brother Sam George. And me babe no na meni ajipa. When he finished, I just slammed onto my chair. I say we na eyeden.
Was say he has achieved what he wanted.
No.
I don't want you, Nana.
Dabi.
What if we've achieved what we wanted?
Dabi, in fact, he said he achieved more than what he wanted. But what he wanted is not, he wanted 30% reduction in prices.
That is a 570. When your premium channels are what is the 30% of the pay?
Commander Bernard in our different Bernard is so no dear on cast some additional channels. But the 30% reduction. Now Kai.
Na me hu ni maybe 30%
like. So me say additional channels in our ban no you group of people.
Me fan additional channel keke. Because compact plus who tia 570. Hita to no programs are over behwe no enke ye premium.
How can you watch? How many programs can you watch?
When you
have the program or the channels, you can watch them.
Omo mutia, you can say for premium or opting for compact plus. Programs are well in now, Benya. Would take 573 8 something more. Maybe 30%.
I will not mention the name publicly. Meaning, say, Otria the 800 plus. But I can tell you. You call her tennis. Any your friend is saying Sky News.
That is the boot
that is the two things.
CNN. Asa.
But CNN service free.
It means so fine.
I won't me flip. I thought that me trouble. Say thought that I say be a some of them. What did you? What's I thought that some of the
point I'm making.
TV no be to me a problem. Na matinu to a honum ma check it. Some of the TV stations e wo honum
a maximum we me share 3-4 channels. It is a 2000 channels grandpa is of no benefit.
Okay. Thank you.
Package no
benefit pa because wo no open news na hwe. Oba e be hwe cartoon. Oba fufuro so be ka say bia mpese me hwe Big Brother Naija.
But in the whole day no you can't watch.
I'm just saying that.
Enkwala no.
Obi abenya ne chefa. Thank you very much.
TV ne ba ko.
TV ne one. I say na je obi ato separate TV ko see them.
We there o ma dia fa corner.
Me ba cho I think say enkomo ba ko trend for I think in Money Africa did and what to be a gold for oil deal now former previous governments you know a year you know forensic audit by say company na omo and a gold no ho adwuma there was no contract between them and Bank of Ghana and yemo tax exemption kwa 7.1 billion inti we eche na omai no inse senke be gain no ye boka 2 billion Ghana cedis inti ye forensic reporter aba erezi concern say ye ko ye deal ni senka ye benya mfaso na ka ye fuel bo aswate but as we ended up ekoboka
omo angetini ye omo aye ye ni say onkrofo na omo say omo ye you know omo no nyamfaso ana Ghana bobo
ana Ghana boka
hwe good for oil me madam for your friend Dr. Sreg ono ana kokosusu ho kire Bawumia say the way ye can say ye currency aye ya affect ye fuel or no or delay in gold. Okay. Etino so mo pa or mo man the opportunity. Na ono to top gold no fa gold no konkwaje oil enfamre o man no o man no emre enkwose $100 so mo de kwakoye and o man intro o free ho no mo shadow so mbesan share biom ni o te ya ne se Bawumia be na nso se e ba be good for oil without knowing or no ne die so no ma wa hyehya anka ebetima ma na ya adwuma eyie no without knowing no di America no akwabonte. They say, she guy nation. And I'm busy say, do I have your permission to make? Was it anywhere I can mention because a net tro and woody. So now, gold for oil, the purpose on say, yeah, the gold ko yen kwan kwasi $1 biom. Na kwa kwa so yi dollar na kwasro ntino asese to fuel mu. We dey gold na ekọ. Ya kwa kwaswa oil na ba be gum just like that. Yes, that you good for oil. You to you fuel musa. No, be a good for oil there. A better day na fe de be sa kosurosa. So yeah. Let's just say 419. I don't want the baby. It's a program no ebe say omo the gold no echo. The middleman or no and e kwa $10. And to the gold no money pana kwa koton anya ne faso boom no what is can be no da kwa koton a crude no dia abre Ghana for any ne kaka digi na bu no omo ye you so dem say sa nneoma we there e ya na there ne ade ade yeah eti eye me nwanwa say asate na okra no che say Dr. Bawumia ye nche no enkwehye no on that ayi so on yet no yet matena se a mo ankasa munim aban ne dim se eye 419 pa de komu now ebani Ghana ye omudi ba ye look at the tax exemptions alone 7.something billion dollars oh yeah e just see this assembly here can dollars na NPP native Kodua was it next 4 years ya baba look at how our ball mine ye ko IMF akwaje bosia 3 billion ye hu de da 3 billion so ya antam ni nyina grand vengeance in trenches wuti hwani about 600 million wuti hwani about say wuti hwani about say the atima tax exemption $7.2 billion. Are we not sick? Tax exemption is $7.2 billion. Unkofo mo ye hwadwuma oni mo hye zo ewo to bi Kojo Kyeremanteng no ka se me to 300 pickups the chair o kwa question is onye iska wen okay o kwa question no these are some of the things I think say or more alle yi no clear say records bia ni ho issue me anga say me finance minister one on one of the television stations and walk say so plain said there is nothing like that. There's no record. Actually say that yeah can say gold for oil. It is say gold na no your uncle there 2 kwan. No akwakoto ade no de aba. Say oh broni bi na di ne nyina ya zan omoboa omoa na di gold no ko. No makwakoye ne omope no moje hu sika e de ahombotom. Eti no ommu obia no. Omobo Ghana for joy. No mo say nya kukudro kra saba be ka say 2028 we are coming back. Mutriso. A good dear what you may go for oil and guano. Tax exemptions 7.2 billion. Where Minister Grambo say a parliament. I don't think so. Minister say a parliament. Share every muya 1D1F. Share the list. Any sika or mode buy yes various companies tax exemption. Wako US, wako China, wako baby Ghana for mu bie nyuma nyina koko bisomo. Say ye more tax exemptions ana. Only Africa. Na brody pete bi aba ha say oh, waba be ye ayi krukru bi. A obehwe Ghana ni factory. Eso say ne dey no times 3. That Ghana ni no ti honum ye man tax exemption. Near the brody no. Adentia. Brody no ye ba be more tax exemption say ye GC ni ne kai ka ho mo agree they said Akoto parliament na mebo NDC minority den abaso say omo resist ya omo approve sa ade no nka sabri nka omo sika nka omo de beye 2028 elections nyina nka egu ho omo approve sa ade na nka egu ho boko omo any ade to omo block omo no eye pa any ade enti sa vote for oil no there I think say say aban hwehwem the lead person say aban timi che no kwache no yoko for bien ye kan say na before ne ye CID for mo hwehwem ade na ba beto you don't need a formal complaint biem you don't need it ade we ya ba mo na mo da ho no mo say mo hwa boga na ye ho ban mo hwa na mo nye for ye kan say financial intelligence center for mo so mo hwe some crofo no mo hwehwe yisika boom boom ye transfer I mean mo block won let them come and answer meeting hey onim aduma bi a meye say underground your man kitinkiti bi ubehu a boom $20 million na dem account mu na moti wana mosre Germany no bi say o ma me e kan say o chebiska scan na say €400 ana meje ata me late wife account ana me say o mu fantum o mu di tumu etomu kri ya friend wife ye hia o bank €400 questions forms o mu man fere 400 na etomu no o mu satini taxi say we no. This is what you registered you can say company who will inflows. Every month no make it be say emphasis say €1 million euros. Now we have 5 million ababetum urade. Questions abako answer no. But Ghana no ya no free for all. And a month for 18 money. Any other. Say na say anya say FBI for everybody be say a month for yesru kakra. Wo hwe asofo pa nti enti asori am ubewura asofo bi fie ho Rolls Royce no every year the ABS honum are we sick na busuafo biti ba bi bre Rolls Royce no ba ku beti ma establish be say 10-20 family members almost so be di omo ho didi na no ubebisa say efrihi ko na kokko hwe omo account mu na hwade na hwe the inflows a business na wo ye any near Kaikao. I will urge the government to take a bold decision to invite them and then question them. Okay. Now, enquiry. So, man, yes, I don't know. So, there are no more debate. So, power promise.
Bernard. Gold for oil. Gold for oil, no. Ghana government, your mines. Yeah, your mines.
Ghana government.
Your mines.
Say Ghana government. I don't think
your name so. Gold na ye kwa Akoto no. What are we going to use to buy? And yes, a government share of gold. And a year day. Eko jinemu afa ye fango ediaba. It is that the government has to spend money
to
buy the gold. And now take gold now. Akofa sika Akoto no. And now go and deposit. I mean, it doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense. But yeah, canwa. Now almost dabi. Number 2, you are taking gold for what? Gold for what? Barter trade. Barter trade. The exchange for goods or services. And no, you are na a medieval form of trading. Na the new may be added by a friend indivisibility of goods. Proper value of the good, no to mean ka. Until offer gold na Akoto oil no. Now the oil be at 74 barrels. Is the equivalent of 2 ounces of gold. But all gold, air 5 ounces. How to divide it to get your oil, becomes a problem. Until all of a sudden, NPP catch and say, barter trade is better than monetary and the new form of trade. Enti metimi afa me aponche na makogina mu na me say ene efa o your friend say o phone here there. Where your phone there?
Z7 fold 7.
Fold 7. Enti me de aponche aba na maji o phone. Goods for goods. And yes, sir.
Yeah.
That is what NPP took us back to. So they retarded us. Say progress na ye ko enim no, omodie no na ye retrogression. But obeka na nipa si dabi. As a development economist, you look for progress. You don't go back. Bibia edu be ko echiri na echere say masa waiting. And so it was not surprising. Say you take Ghana money, go and buy gold, and now take the gold and go and put down and take oil.
And no cry say sad no cry ni oil company be.
That be. And now number 2. It wasn't the government of Ghana that was doing that or individuals that were doing that. Say government of Ghana, what is the amount of gold that you call? Oil.
That's right. That's right.
There is no evidence say if a gold say Akoto ha and the oil say any de buy it. And yet our leaders decided that, as I always say, big deception. No ma wangle yang, no ma chichiri yang, no ma de trunsum. So we all suffered this bit. And yet and imani Ghana omudi sa gold for oil yechi. And omuka say it's a complete scam. Nipa bi epese omonfa yesika enkoto gold so that they become rich.
Yeah.
And they did.
Yeah.
They had opportunity to take money from Bank of Ghana. When there was no agreement between them and Bank of Ghana, say moko akoto gold, na makwaje oil. Sometimes I even find it hilarious. The gold is heavy metal.
Yeah.
So when you buy the gold, the people will not sit here to collect the gold. Until just a one cassava for gold, no, any place. So incur extra charges to take the gold to where they are, hand over the gold, then you take back your oil. Double loss. Yeah. So in the end, we gave them tax exemption. In the end, tax exemption of 7.2 billion.
Yeah.
The government incurred extra cost of 2.5 billion. In effect, we got a total loss of 9.9 billion. In fact, no, 10.1 billion dollars. That is the total cost of the total loss, because the 2.5 is a loss. The tax exemption of 7.1, I don't say a loss. Until the you are getting $10 billion loss. And that is not a loss actually. That is money that was packaged and given to some individuals to share.
Exactly.
Say, the Bureau of National Investigation, I don't know why you call it NIB. NIB is a bank. Bureau of National Investigations, they should change the name. BNI. You're from saying Yokofo Omushim. Then there is the Financial Intelligence Unit led by Kojo Kyeremanteng. They should go into this matter.
Okay.
Na omo afa yesika adi.
Mancha me 5 minutes. Why?
Na omaye. And then in the end, we suffer. When we were doing gold for oil, a gallon of petrol was in excess of 100 Ghana cedis.
Yeah.
A gallon was in excess of 100 Ghana cedis. Sesi ana yenye gold for oil, and a gallon is how much? Less than 70 cedis.
Yeah.
Oh no, 70 grad less than 60
cedis. 60 something.
Precisely.
1250 no.
Yeah, times 4.5.
Yeah.
Clearly, Maza, some people have taken us for a ride. And until
50 cedis.
Until and unless the operation recover all loot, not operation release all looters. It must be operation recover all loot, not operation release all looters. Until that become effective. I can tell you that there will be more fiber in the new generation of leaders. Yes, we are. At the end, Nkosiaga.
All right, just two minutes, then we wrap up. May I sure say what follow back and forth Kennedy Agyapong NPP due to what Abronye any chama won't me a car say almost said that no much share Jumama Bawumia. And to top bottom approach, it was a deliberate attempt. And Yemina Mako, the video I played it yesterday. Or say almost share down a woman delegates no mudi were registered Mudadano, or maintain you almost on Betua Benevi and San Master Sawomo. It is because of much share Juma Bawumia and Yare. A BSc pen to some more BMA. It doesn't see anything wrong with it. Kennedy thinks at the assassin now, Bronyane, Chama won't to me, Ejina Bedroom, a Kayano. Nesse, Woman Casa, Albano Mokotono, fairness, party, that's what training went free one day. But it's look as if say Nippon personality no Kayan is an executive. And see, I appeal so Kennedy Agyapong letter come and Ramity said just in Kodua say they should admit it's a party who is in crisis.
And then one who says it's in crisis. And then
Mufi Mona in a crisis.
You see, Lavin Kasim. Shape Kivi Kasim Bitrem. Ewo North. That was 2019. And was say, in Kolabi be deep party in any. Ombe take decisions in a be breaky party. Phone be free mwako. Na a woman another serious issue be sense here and non a be breaky party no cry. As a more making me no be na koye nipa no tamale hono.
Okay.
Eti enyetro ana mabo few people to so amane ah te o mo 2020 ababeto ya bawie ko ensi me dem ref impo o kampo na me se me a meeting ani mu bra no me so be ba be eti yeto 2024 abaniwie ana papa na friend anu wase me kai asem bi o ka kire me ana me so odi asem wase me ref ise or catch them say one be take a decision be penifoni be free party no nam so and me angasa grad am to you me so ba free and I say anything na me free na something serious will happen ya no dey a be break party no kra me trust in the judgment because say wait me see here there adena no work no ebesi wa won dey no look ni gina ye den. So why nyampeni mfua ombetimi do omunesi for makasi no. Look. Those days Afoko beye national chairman. That be the Akufo Addo. Some of the decisions are no taken amani nyo. But unim it was a firm and best decision. What by was it look. Chairman is the leader. Yeti Frabera what ya to abawie wo nimu biom. At the office na wo ho na yes Fraber's office no or no chairman or no be
no
hey na chairman dey sem na odi bayi kika ordinary form nyama ekoso kama you see few things be adebia ankoyie just
maybe akoyie
beba around
you are fetish around Akufo Addo
who dey me ka sem biba around them no
yeah
omo ano omo running PR ma omo no omo na say omo asema omo so on dey no that's our better na me kasama obi na me kase na me yeyi eno ene kokofa asa de no bae enye no a I tell you say they took a very firm decisions at that time the Frabera was not in total control of the party omo hihye omo yeye no eno yes suspended woman no more ye primaries in ade awie And they took a firm decision. Said, look, we are not going to take money and favor anybody. Baby, I say your contest, yeah, declare baby, I say on oppose, except it's a man for Amfale. I don't know, yes, I know money now. You got to about 169 seats in Parliament. And I don't board Mumbai. Akufo Addo anyayi afi de chim to her chimwa to her near the ade next what e dey about 137 eneja yakoko fa brand e ba ye say o ma me ye no ma nan kwa asafri 137
akwa 89 say
87 today 87 2028 obi an Toronto NPP seat in Parliament beba 60 Toronto. Except say Omonya General Secretary the near day Pye ade omukwe nyina no modum TV na ne mo be twa so sisi amu
I no na bedum be no chese ye ko
me omudum na ne om twa so I say me hwe me ho TV no so
and there some say ye
minia Mama Lusu.
Omunya General Secretary ni ayade.
Oh dey dey no. So why General Secretary na ni adin a sa. Anti wo hwe the General Secretary. Na wo hwe ni ye ni na ye a. Do say me support no me na I was.
So ka say you na ye campaign man.
Ayi. Enso so no wamfa advice. Etoda wokọ o masika di wanim ese adwuma na oba be ya se ya na eba wo hu de etie no eti me de me de ekoso no Kennedy Agyapong na me ka che ne nkrofo ni bi me ni party no mu se mo tenase na se o mo bom sa buga na it's up to you me kai Gyamfi time o so munyabotre no nkrofo emi enwi o mu na ye titi mu o mu so o so munyabotre sa no mde wo ye ni eti omu no so betena se na eje ya say don the ka say bi wo say to da say ye bomba e wo party no mu na discipline e dey e ba mu that's why there is na mutra ho no mu a decision omu take whole regional chairman akwa gina hold the one candidate anim regional chairman say ye neutral ye ka say ye neutral no ntre say wo ni preferred candidate o na mom wo kon di ba kwa chi ni nchi wo ko gina ho nkasa ma ba ko because all other candidates will come to you for you to lead them in your region. No one through region, now the candidate back to another region. Now will cancel hunu. Na moti honum because he said nipa na odi na chino ya mo preferred candidate intino. You are not going to take action against the person. They are then aware. Who go party no? Na me bon person go. Kanze ya memfa mbase munsi wo me ka se me bu na mu a me ka kire first se he wo ya me bu na mu wo de me a me bu mu nsoso so on e no emre bia me ka me se NPP ba bia me de NPP a she no it will take the grace of God asamaka me se 4 consecutive elections on be lusu okroma sei eya no visa me ka no keke o ma me ncha me kroma cha before last Sunday Sunday na me wo honum last Monday holiday no so me ko say my imagine say every weekend bia no ho na me kwa kodi me weekend ni ade na ka ka hunti ye chia omo I'm say president a promise say ye point from abroad to achieve no mbeye Mako Rules Minister wa on so am assurance pass omo ebeye sa kwan no eti ye bompa ye say omo betwa tu mama ye na chese bibia etimi
akwaye won
na ma tie bia na mom NPP there look well me ti hey me candidate asenka me ko akwakoye campaign enka Bawumia Campaign me bompa ye e de amano adenti ano me candidate because oni ma di ni yie nipa nso de obi ni udi ni yie a men konkon show nipa no boni aye so on yet no nti you for no adam last na make so omo ye strategic Come the branch and Bobeko. No more on 2028 against 32. 2028. Hey, NPP for more three. Say yeah, about 2020. Move free for Namoba.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.